Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Deborah and I do clothing subscription unboxings, and more recently I've started doing some hauls, just sharing what I find. Today I'm going to share what I purchased at Old Navy. Some sweaters and tops today. Oh, and a couple of things that I got at the J.Crew factory store online. So let's get started. First I have this, it's a gray sweater. It's called the Classic Morold V-neck sweater, and it's in light gray, and I had to size up in this one, so it's a medium. I either wear a small or a medium at Old Navy, but this one ran a little bit small. It's normally $29.99, but I think I got most of this 40% off, and this weekend being Black Friday, everything's going to be 50% off. The next thing is this Old Navy classic shirt. It's in gray plaid. It's called the Relaxed Plaid Twill Classic Shirt. It's $29.99, so it'll be $15 this weekend. And then another plaid shirt. This one was more expensive. It's the Relaxed Classic Soft Brushed Twill. So I guess when they add brushed in there, because it is regular $32.99 in light pink. So just another plaid shirt. This one is, I don't know the name of it, but I got this one in the store. The price tag says $36.99, so that'll be $50 off this weekend. And it's kind of a, it's got a, from a distance it looks gray, but if you look close, there's a lot of colors in there and a little bit of sparkle too. And it's just a crewneck sweater. And this one I did take a small in. Both of the plaid shirts are smalls also. And then this gingham shirt, I've already worn this a few times, I love it. It's the Relaxed Printed Classic shirt, and the texture is a little different. It's a little thinner than the other plaid ones. This was $24.99, but I think I got this one for like $13 because I had Old Navy cash or something. So I will try that on. Now, when I found this one in the store, I already had ordered from J.Crew factory a similar shirt and a vest. So I have this, also a navy gingham. Now, since I only paid $13 for this one I got it for $20.83. I decided to keep them both. You can see one of them has a larger plaid. The J.Crew plaid or gingham is larger, and they fit a little differently too. This one fits a little looser and longer. And I got this, it's the Quilted puffer vest. Okay, and this one was on sale for $34.50 when I got it, and I think I signed up for their emails or something and had an additional % off, so I got it for $29. So, okay, well, I'll try everything on. Okay, this is the V-neck sweater. You can see it's a little oversized since I got the medium, but I just thought the small was a little bit too snug. Okay, next it's the brushed twill classic shirt in light pink. It is a size small and it runs plenty big enough. It's comfortable. Okay, this is the gray plaid button-up shirt. It feels like it runs just a tiny bit smaller than the pink one, and the fabric feels a little thicker. But it's very soft, very comfortable. I like it. Okay, this is the Crewneck Sweater with this pretty sparkly pattern. I know it's not showing up on camera very much, but it's really pretty in person. This is the size small, so it fits true to size, I would say. And it's just very soft and comfortable, warm. So I really like this one too. Okay, this is the first gingham shirt, the Old Navy one. It fits, it's a little more fitted, I think you'll see when I try on the J.Crew one. I think that one's a little more oversized. So this is the small, and it's not I think that the J.Crew one is longer too. So I'll show you how it looks with both of them. I think it looks better with the longer one from what I remember. It's not too thick. I really like this vest too. It has pockets. Okay, this is the J.Crew gingham. You can see the pattern is bigger and it's just a little more oversized. And with the vest, I just thought it looked a little better with the vest with more hanging below. Or I guess I could tuck it in. I hardly ever tuck in my shirts because I'm kind of short-waisted. Okay guys, that was my Old Navy haul with a couple of things thrown in from J.Crew Factory. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe below if you'd like to see more from me.